Hey guys, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new to my channel. For today's video, we'll be tackling a limp and boring throw pillow. I bought these pillows, I bought actually 4 of them from Ikea. They were pretty cheap and over time the filling started to clump together and shrink in volume, so they looked really sad as you can see in the video. So today I'll be basically revamping them, doing something totally different to the cover, as well as adding more filling so that they look plump. As you can see, I'm able to transform this pillow into this totally full and unique throw pillow seen in the after shot there. But I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think once you get through it. Thank you. So the first thing I did was unstitch a small part on the side of the pillow to remove the filling. Then I washed the pillow cover to give it a fresh start. Next, I marked out where I'll be attaching my yarn on the cover. The pattern and design is up to you, but I decided to space them out evenly with about 5 centimeters between each braid. Then I cut the yarn so that when you fold it in half, it's about 1.5 times the length of the cover pillow. I cut 3 pieces of yarn and folded them in half to create 6 strands to create my braids. This way, each of the 3 strands in my braid will have 2 individual strands. I made about 11 bundles as my cover is about 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. I then made small cuts where I made the marks at the top of my cover, ensuring that I cut through to the other side of the cover. These will be my points of insertion for the yarn. Then using a crochet hook, I pulled through the folded bundle of yarn, inserting it through the cut. If you're familiar with macrame knots, you're basically creating a lark's head knot. Oh, hey Caleb. There's my son saying hi. So here I'm just showing the strands getting braided. My advice is that you don't braid it too loosely or too tight. Then I tie the knots at the end of the braids. And now in retrospect, I would suggest that you don't tie the knots or cut them yet at this point. You'll see why soon. So I went through and I braided and knotted and cut them all. Next, I marked off matching insert spots to cut at the bottom of the pillow cover. Initially, the idea was that I was going to glue the braids down, but I decided to insert them into the cover to make it look seamless. So I made cuts only on the front side of the cover, then used the crochet hook to pull the braids through at the bottom. So next, I pull the braids through the slits using the crochet hook. It's a bit hard to pull the knots through if the slits are small. This is the reason why I advise that it's better to not knot and cut your braids off at that earlier step. When it's loose and there's no knot, it's easier to pull it through, and then you could just knot it once you get it through the other side and cut it off at that point. So you'll flip the cover inside out and ensure that the braids are laying flat on the inside and are pulled to match the length of the cover. Here you can see me put glue around the braid and slit so that they lay flat and that they don't slip out of the hole. Then you'll flip the cover right side out and glue the braids down to finish it off. Once that's done, you'll just replace the filling or add a new filling, and make sure that you add enough so that the pillow stays plump for a very long time. You'll just reclose the seam by simply stitching or by using hot glue to close it up. Guys, look at this finished product. This pillow is so cute. I love the way it looks. What do you guys think? So here it is. I have 3 more pillows like this, so I have 3 more DIY pillows to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. And you could go ahead and leave a comment below on your thoughts on my channel and where you would like to see it go. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.